In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion private. If you've shared a Notion page and now want it to be for your eyes only, here's how to lock it down by removing collaborators. Start on the page you want to protect. In the top right corner, click Share. On desktop, it's a button labeled Share. On mobile, it may look like a small arrow or share icon. Either way, this opens the sharing panel where all access is managed. Inside the panel, you'll see the people who currently have access to this page. Next to each person's name is a permission label, such as Full Access, Can Edit, or Can View. Full Access means someone can edit content and change sharing settings. Can Edit, that lets them change content but not permissions. Can View is read only. If your goal is total privacy, you'll want to remove everyone listed regardless of level so that only you remain. Click the permission label next to a person's name. This opens a small menu tied to their current level. Choose Remove. Confirm if you're prompted. The moment you remove someone, their access is revoked. They'll no longer see the page in their sidebar or be able to open it. Repeat this for every person you no longer want on the page. As you do, you'll see the list shrink, which is a good sign you're closing the door. A few tips while you work. Removing someone doesn't delete the page or its content. It only affects who can open it. If you change your mind later, just return to Share and invite them back. If you notice you can't remove a particular person, their access might be inherited from a parent folder or from workspace level settings. In that case, you may need to check with your workspace admin, since some permissions are controlled higher up. For today, we're focusing only on removing the people who were directly invited to this page. When you've removed everyone you don't need, close the Share panel. With no other names listed, your Notion page is effectively private to you within this workspace. If you want extra peace of mind, you can briefly reopen the Share panel to confirm that no collaborators appear. That's all it takes. Simple, quick, and reliable. You've successfully made your Notion page private by removing access for other people, keeping your notes, plans, and projects just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.